So basically I bought this in Costco, and then I never even eat it at all. Then this one, even cereals. So I got these cereals too, and I got these cereals too, not been eaten, and this one too. And he bought this one, not been eaten. Oh, it only tastes, and also this one is not been eaten. This one's small left. I need to give it to him. And then this one, it's not been eaten, so you know it's hard to keep them all the time. So I'm going to arrange my thing here because it's too much, and I need some space. I got loads of stuff that is not been eating, and I got that one there not been eating, so I'm trying to arrange this one because it's waste of money that, you know, it's not been eaten. Okay, and this one, so no need to buy and buy because money is not easy to get. So itong laman ng cupboard ko kasi naglilinis ako ngayon. Meron pa akong ano ha, meron pa akong chocolate na hindi nabubuksan. Regalo yan, Easter mix. Meron pa, ayan, meron pa. May mga biscuits pa, kundi din yan na touch. Kailangan kong linisin ang aking cupboard. Yun ang hirap eh, kaya hindi ako basta-basta bumibili ngayon dahil alam mo na stock lang siya. Tapos ito, ang dami ko pang, ayan o, Maryland. Tapos meron pa akong ganyan, no? Mamahalin naman. Sana kung mura lang eh. Takis, meron pa siyang natira. Oh my God. Pero ito, walang kumakain ito. Bigay ko kay Mr. Kaya, sa mga drinks, nandito, kung ano-ano pa. Mag-ayos muna ako. Ito, may ang dami kong ano. Kailangan niyang kainin. Para hindi na ako bili-bili.